Hello everybody and welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we have the AMX 1375 and this is a quite good tank because it's an autoloader, and I think everybody on earth which knows tanks loves autoloaders, especially when they're fast and quite nice for a tank, and also looks quite nice. The cool thing about this one is that it looks quite nice. Helping that is with the aerodynamics look. But that doesn't only look like with aerodynamics, it actually helps it go faster with the barrel, and then you've got the sloped armor. But again, the sloped armor isn't only there to look good. It has a 120-degree angle to help it go somewhere else. They would not pen with another shell. But you might need a higher caliber cannon from tier 6 to get this tank down from the front, but of course you've gotten the lower glasses plate, and that's usually the weak spot, but ain't it always, eh? Anyways, we will show you what this tank really looks like in the battle. Now we're in the battle, so what do we really want to do with this tank? How does it really work, and how do we really use it? Well, it's really depends what type of person you are. If you like to be fast, an autoloader, and have, I guess, good sloped armor for your type of tank, this is your tank. But at the same time, some people, I don't mean this in a bad way, but they just are like always, actually, well, I'm kind of like the same way. Once I used to be, for some reason, obsessed with Soviet Union tanks, but this is actually a good tank to get your mind off that type of stuff. If you're like, oh, Soviet Union, T-34, T-34-85, then you find this tank and then you're like, forget all of that, now French, AMX 1375, and this tank's also good. This is how you use it. The way you use is that, well, first you go to one spot, you deal a little bit of damage there, then you go to another spot where they've already done all the half damage for you, and then you finish it off, and then you come back to where you were and then deal some more damage over there to finish them off. And as again, we have the autoloader power, so this tank is a very good finishing off tank, and I gotta say, quite fast, and well, it's not as fast as the RU 25, I think, or what, RU 1225, something like that. It's not that fast, but at the same time, it's fast enough to defeat a KV2, because KV2s are huge tanks with huge barrels. That's why their turret is very heavy and turns around very slowly. So this tank is very good for trying to kill them, and you can also usually exploit the ammo rack with them quite easily, with any tank really in this, because the pen always goes through to hit, and then once it touches the metal, it explodes and hits the ammo rack. But sometimes that doesn't always happen, but it can set a fire on quite frequently. Now we've got a Churchill, and Churchill 6, it's the tier is actually tier 5, but we're not doing a Churchill 6 review, so we won't go into that. And then we've got an American TD, tier 3. And what do we do here? Well, what else would we do? Go in to have some fun. And of course we get ourselves the kill as soon as we get in there. And then we see that Churchill again. But then, of course, we're not the strongest tank. Before, yes, I did say that's got good sloped armor, but that's only for medium tanks, which are lower tier, or light tanks, which are the same tier or lower. With heavy tanks, it's a different story. If they're lower or higher, it's gonna be not invincible. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and smash that like button. See you later.